Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer loyalty with Starbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase customer loyalty with Starbucks, start by understanding your target audience. Identify the key demographics of your customers. Analyze their preferences and habits regarding coffee and other products. Next, focus on creating a personalized experience for each customer. Use their names when taking orders to make interactions feel more personal. Implement a rewards program that offers meaningful incentives. Encourage customers to join the Starbucks rewards program for exclusive deals. Share updates on new products and special offers through targeted emails. Make use of mobile ordering to streamline the customer experience. Consider offering additional perks, such as free refills for loyal customers. Provide an inviting atmosphere that encourages customers to relax and stay longer. Ensure that the baristas are trained to provide exceptional customer service. Engage with customers on social media to foster a sense of community. Ask for feedback through surveys to understand areas for improvement. Host events in-store to create a connection with the local community. Create partnerships with other local businesses to offer bundled promotions. Regularly review and adapt your strategies based on customer feedback and industry trends. Lastly, celebrate customer milestones, such as birthdays or anniversaries, with special offers. By following these steps, you can successfully increase customer loyalty at Starbucks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.